Check it out. On Sundays in Waikiki for 4 weeks, for 4 Sundays, they're having what the mayor is calling Open Streets Sunday, where you can bike, walk, roller blade, roller skate, skateboard on the main drag of Kalakaua Avenue from Seaside Street all the way down to Kapahulu. So I got an idea to attach a GoPro to my skateboard. I don't normally get to ride my skateboard because it's illegal to ride it on the sidewalks in Waikiki. So this is a good opportunity for me to get to ride my skateboard, and I can ride it right down the middle of the street. So that'll be pretty cool. So I thought I'd attach a GoPro to my skateboard, and I bought this this GoPro off of eBay, and it came with a whole bunch of attachments. There's some that are on my surfboards even that aren't even here, but yeah. So I took some of the attachments and made a rig to fit onto my skateboard. So there's this thing here that's kind of like a C clamp. So it's got two screws going this way, and so I clamped that onto the truck. And then there's all these little individual pieces. So there's 1, 2, 3. So each one makes a 90 degree. So you have to have the right number in order to get it to face forward. Otherwise, it ends up facing left or right. But anyway, so yeah, so got that on there, and I just tried it out. It's Saturday morning, so I just hooked that up and just tried it out. So the video coming up is going to be me trying it out.
the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy. But maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love